Work. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to your 1 p.m. update. I'm Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. Currently, we've got a mixed bag out here. Well, sort of mixed. Let's take a look at the markets right now. Everything is in the red with the exception of the NASDAQ. NDX 100 up 43 points. The NASDAQ composite is up 27. You got the Dow back 200. The S&P off 7, the Russell off 12 points, the semi's down 7, New York Stock Exchange off 93, Wilshire is down only 16 points out there. That's pretty strong, folks. It's basically flat, and that's really the picture of the entire market out here. If we take a look at the indices, let's start by looking at the S&P 500. You'll get a feel for what it is doing out here. So as we pull open the S&P, you're going to see wave number 7, that's letter G on my screen out here. So there's your top. Top inside the S&P 500. It's a pattern topping signal brought to us by Basil Chapman Wave. That was on June the 8th out here. So I got wave number 7. Price is not broken through any key levels of support. The first key level in the S&P will be 2913.86. Price is trading above Stevie's green line. The green line level's at 3151. Now that's really important. The green line tells us we have a price oscillator is above zero. Price oscillator is a difference between two things. In this case here, we use the 19 and 39 period exponential moving average. We do that specifically because it is rocket science. I won't get into that. But as long as you have a rising price oscillator above zero, and when you have a green line and prices trading above the green line, that tells us we have a rising price oscillator above zero. Those are bullish conditions. Granted, we have a top. And until that top gets taken out, that's still a valid pattern out here. So price is just trading, in essence, in between support and resistance. Support, 29.13. Resistance would be the high of that seventh wave move out here on June the 8th. That would be 32.33. So neutral signal, more or less, for the S&P 500. If we take a look at the Dow, a little bit of a different picture out here. This is why, if you listen to the Trader's Edge show, I've suggested to you, and I'll suggest it right here, if you're going to be shorting index out here, you should be looking at the Dow and you should be looking at the Russell 2000. Stay away from the NASDAQ. And really, for the most part, stay away from the S&P 500. Those are the two that are the strongest. So if you're going to short something, go to the weak link. Out here, we can see the Dow. It's got a TD9 count top out here. And price is trading below Stevie's green line. But its key level of support is 24,781. Folks, if you're off to start your day, have a terrific Tuesday. Otherwise, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. We'll see you in just a few.